My name is Tiffany Horrocks, and in this video I'm going to show you how I paint an impasto painting. Like so. I'm going to quickly go over the types of materials I'm using. I have gel medium that I've put on the Horrocks for ease of painting, some paints, palette knives, brushes, a container of water, and of course my board that I've prepared already. Okay, let's get started. I've mixed gel medium in with my paint and I'm currently working on the background. I paint in a classic impressionistic style with a modern twist, adding elements of pixelation in to reflect on our modern society. Painting is my life, it's my passion, and it's how I make a living. Now we wait for the background to dry. At this point I start the knife work. I'm only focusing on getting the shapes and contours of the petals. Later I will do brushwork where I fill in the lights and darks in order to create contrast and a sense of three-dimensionality. Again, here I am waiting for the paint to dry. Painting can be such hard work. Now I start the brushwork where I start filling in the lights and darks in order to give the poppies 3 dimension. Every painting I make sits for a time in my studio where I reflect on it. Sometimes a piece will need finishing touches, sometimes absolutely nothing. Before it's ready to be shown to the public, I have to be completely satisfied with the balance, composition, colors, and the execution. Here's the finished piece. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you'd like to see more of my work, check my website tiffanyhorrocks.com or Facebook or Instagram. Thanks.